Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's making waves in the world of aerial photography and videography, the DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo. We found this incredible drone online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the DJI Avata so special. This drone is a cutting-edge 360 degrees camera drone that features a powerful 1-inch 8K imaging sensor. This means you can capture stunningly detailed images and videos with exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. With the capability to shoot 8K at 60 frames per second, the Avata allows for sharp cropped shots that maintain incredible quality. One standout feature of the Avata is its 04+ FHD Video Transmission technology. This system boasts remarkable anti-interference capabilities, delivering high-definition video at 1080p and 60 frames per second over a distance of up to 20 kilometers. This means you can enjoy a stable connection while exploring vast landscapes or capturing footage over long distances. Safety is a top priority with the DJI Avata. It comes equipped with an integrated propeller guard and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing you to fly with confidence. The advanced sensing technology helps prevent collisions, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced pilots. One of the most exciting aspects of the Avata is its ability to capture infinite creativity from a single flight. With its 360 degrees imaging capabilities, you can record a complete view of your surroundings in one take. Later, during post-production, you can reframe your footage from any angle, transforming a single clip into multiple unique creations. This feature is particularly appealing to content creators who want to maximize their shooting efficiency. The Avata also offers flexible dual modes, allowing you to seamlessly switch between 360 degrees and single lens mode. In single lens mode, you can film in 4K at 60 frames per second, providing versatility for traditional aerial filming. This means you don't have to pack multiple devices for different types of shooting. The Avata covers it all. Another impressive feature is the unlimited rotation and unbound vision. The 360 degrees imaging allows for dynamic camera movements that standard drones simply cannot achieve. This opens up a world of creative possibilities for filmmakers and hobbyists alike. So, who is the DJI Avata suitable for? This drone is perfect for content creators, whether you're a YouTuber, vlogger, or filmmaker looking to elevate your projects. It's also an excellent choice for adventure seekers who want to document their travels or outdoor activities with stunning aerial views. The intuitive controls, especially with the included DJI goggles N3 and RC Motion 3, make it accessible for beginners, while professional users will appreciate the advanced features and image quality. Imagine using the Avata to capture breathtaking footage of a hiking trip, showcasing the expansive landscapes from above. Or consider the possibilities for filmmakers looking to incorporate unique angles and stunning visuals into their projects. The versatility of this drone makes it an essential tool for anyone interested in aerial photography. In summary, the DJI Avata 360 Motion Fly More Combo stands out with its exceptional imaging capabilities, safety features, and creative flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone promises to enhance your flying experience and provide you with stunning results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to